Hi everyone! Welcome to Ken Plant's Diaries. It's been 2 months since nag-release ako ng aking video on my gardening episodes and even the diaries of plants. Ngayon, finally, we're back to normal. And kukumustahin natin yung nakat ko na Prince of Orange and Prince Albert if nagbibigay ba sila ng shoot. But actually, ginalaw ko na sila nung nag-arrive ako. I just want you to share and look if kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari. At may back, kung aerog tayo ng konti, yan, makikita natin ang Prince Albert and Prince of Orange. Medyo marami na sila. And ang kagandahan dito kasi makikita mo that they're growing on their own time and pace. And medyo scripted lang kasi nagre-rearrange ako ng nagre-arrange ako nang dumating ako dito, and yan yung kanyang setup. Medyo nahirapan ako ng konti kasi ako lang mag-isa, but then I've made it. I think I've made it. Yan, napakahirap kasi kinat ko din yung katulad nito, itong Green Orlando, the dwarf and the giant version, at saka ito naman, itong Pink Princess, itong Hosibuno, and the rest of my collections of philodendron. Medyo nahirapan ako to arrange them all, and finally, look at that, they're just growing in accordance to the time, and maganda tingnan talaga ang combination, especially ito, highlight ko talaga itong red congas, diba? Pero magpo-focus tayo, kumustahin kung anong nangyari sa Prince of Orange, and keep watching. If we take a look at this area, this is my newest arrangement when I arrive here, and it's so good to see them that they're all growing. Pero kasi nag-summer season, and kaya yung iba, ang ginagawa ko sa kanila is tinatago ko sila sa ilalim ng mga parang kahoy na mga plants, and luckily meron pa ring mga natitira na mga plants, and nire-recover ko sila, nilalagay ko sila dito na area para yan, at least man lang kung mag-arrange or meron ako i-propagate, nasa isang area lang sila. And ito na nga, ito yung kinat ko ng mga Prince of Orange at Prince Albert before ako nawala. Joke. Ngayon, titingnan natin kasi ang setting, ang ginawa ko sa mga Prince of Orange ay cut the mother plant, then in the same pot, dyan ko din nilagay yung cut na part niyan. Yan, meron tayong isang shoot dito. Ito yung kanyang mother. Ito yung kanyang mother, then yan yung kanyang isang shoot. That's for one pot, and here wala. Namatay. Siguro nag-rot yung kanyang original mother plant. And itong Prince Albert naman, yeah, merong isa. Maliit pa siya, pero I guess kung atat ka talagang tanggalin siya, then you could do it. But for me, I won't, because it's not yet fully grown. Baka ma-infect din, magsisi ka, mamirisik. We've been waiting for 2 months. It's almost 3, I guess. Kaya yan, hindi natin siya mamadaliin. That's for Prince Albert. Then dito naman for Prince of Orange, I think I have 5 pots of mother plants. Let's see. Yeah, buhay si mother plant and nag-survive siya. Let's look for the shoot. Meron din siyang shoot, maliit pa. Yeah, ito, isa pa. Isa. Hindi pa siya pwedeng i-detach sa kanyang mother kasi wala pa siyang aerial root. And siguro let's wait for another 1 month before siya tanggalin. At dito, actually, tag-iisa-isa lang ang kanilang mga shoots na ibinigay. Look at that. It's a beautiful growing of this new shoot for the Prince of Orange. Tatlo, and yan. Ito si Prince Albert. Napakaganda ng, kasi it's raining kagabi. Kaya yan. So siya, it's raining kaya yan. Meron tayong isang maliit. And it's not yet ready to be removed. Yeah. Yes. Actually, dalawa sana. Kaso lang maliit yung isa. And I think it will not survive also. For this one, this is a mother, then giant kasi yan. Kaya, siguro, hindi ko yan nilagyan ng kanyang original kasi masyadong malaki. And meron pa tayong sa likod. Puntahan natin. Okay. Ito yung isa. I realize na implanting ng Prince of Orange, dapat yung pot pala, yung mas magandang gamitin pot is hindi ganun siya ka, ang depth itong mismo, ito yung height niya dapat, hindi ganun siya ka mataas yung kanyang depth, dapat mababa lang. And I just want also to flex itong red Congo. Ito, this is already 1 year. Yan, malaki na. It is ready to be cut, but I'll not do it. Ito yung Prince Albert. Yeah. I guess I have 3 pots. Ito 1, ito, dalawa, then nasa kabila yung pangatlo. Ito naman, meron siyang, isa. Napakaganda talaga ng kanyang shoot. And I am really excited to remove them kung ready na. Pero as of the moment, it is not yet ready. Kaya hindi siguro natin siya tatanggalin. Yan. Before I end this episode, prior pa sa mga hindi pa na-remove dyan sa mother plant, meron na tayong yung mga nakat din natin na unang nakat. Yan. At nandito sila sa mga maliliit na pot. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. It's 8 philodendron and we'll wait for another 1 year for them to become like that. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching.